RPM. Carb heat.
Yeah.
Bring the nose up. Full power.
Yep. Go and get that carb heat in. Go ahead, carb heat right there. Push that in.
Oh fuck.
That's okay. No big deal. Alright. So yeah, you bring it up, and then you just kind of feel which way the wing's going.
Like right?
So you feel? We're actually look pretty good right now. Just keep pulling. There it is. Okay, almost. Now you feel going to the right?
Yep.
Are you adding any right rudder?
Right, no.
Okay, cool. Go
That press left?
You're good right there. Just go ahead and pull it. There it goes. Oh.
Ooh. Shit.